The first thing to attack here is definitely the debt, but I don't currently have any to pay. Next up, you can go ahead and move to your sinking funds or to your extra savings and investments. I'm gonna do those first. So for this section, our total is $190. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that here. I'm gonna move over my numbers from the other side as well. To figure out what we have left for sinking funds, we wanna take 2,000 minus 1,009 minus 190, and that leaves us with $801 to put into our high and low priority sinking funds. So to keep up with my running total, I put my 801 on the calculator, and as I add the amounts, I just subtract them away until I get to 0. So our total here is $310. Now we're gonna move over to our low priority. We still have $491 to put within those. And that gives us a total of $491. So here at the bottom, I'm just gonna go through my paycheck breakdown. I'm gonna add in our debt amount, which is 0. And we're gonna add up both of our sinking funds here. $310 plus 491 gives us $801. And so here you take 2,000 minus 1,009 minus 0 minus 801 minus 190. And that gives us $0, and we have successfully created a zero-based budget.